Hey there, car enthusiasts and fellow gearheads. Welcome back to the channel. If you're anything like me, you're all about keeping your ride looking as slick as Vin Diesel in a heist movie. Today, we're diving into a topic that might just be the cherry on top of your car care routine, car wax. Buckle up, because we're about to unveil the secrets to a show-stopping shine that'll make heads turn. Alright, so let's break it down. Car wax isn't just about making your car look like it just rolled off the showroom floor. It's your car's ultimate bodyguard against the elements. We're talking about protection from sun, rain, dust, bird droppings, you name it. It's like a shield that keeps your paint job looking fresh and radiant. Now, not all car waxes are created equal. There are basically two main types, natural and synthetic. Natural waxes, usually made from, you guessed it, natural ingredients like Brazilian carnauba, deliver a deep, warm glow. On the flip side, synthetic waxes offer longer-lasting protection and are easier to apply. It's like choosing between a classic leather jacket and a futuristic spacesuit for your car. Alright, listen up, because this is where the magic happens. Applying car wax might seem like child's play, but there's a bit of an art to it. First off, you want to make sure your car is clean. I'm talking cleaner than your browsing history when your significant other borrows your laptop. Give it a thorough wash and dry before you start waxing. Then, grab a foam applicator pad or a microfiber cloth. Apply the wax in circular motions, and don't be shy, get into every nook and cranny. Remember, it's all about a thin, even coat. After a short wait, it's time for the grand finale, buffing. Use a clean microfiber towel to reveal that jaw-dropping shine that'll make your neighbors jealous. Now, you might be wondering, how often should I be doing this waxing gig? Well, the frequency depends on a few factors. If you're the type to baby your car and keep it in a cozy garage, you might get away with waxing it every 3 to 4 months. But if your ride's braving the elements day in and day out, you might want to give it some TLC every 6 to 8 weeks. Hold on, because I'm about to drop a game changer on you. Top Coat Sealants. These bad boys are like the cheat code to a longer lasting shine. They're like the cherry on top of your waxing routine, providing extra protection and making water bead up like it's scared to touch your car. Just apply it a couple of weeks after waxing and prepare to be amazed. Well, there you have it, folks. The lowdown on car waxing that'll have your ride looking so fine, it'll practically wink at you. Remember, a little elbow grease goes a long way in keeping your car's paint job sparkling. So go ahead, give your four-wheeled buddy the love it deserves. If you found this guide helpful, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our car-loving content. Until next time, keep shining on. Rolled off the showroom floor. Until next time, keep shining on.